Bird and Kip, Goose's Visit. Episode 1, A Big Loud Bird. It was early in the afternoon. Kip was just waking up from a nap. He stretched his arms wide. Kip looked down at Bird's nest. Bird was still asleep. Kip looked up at the sky. He saw something in the air. It was a bird flying over the park. The bird was very big.
"Oh no!"
cried Kip.
"Is that another hawk?"
The bird was very loud.
"Honk, honk, honk."
It cried. It was coming closer to the tree. And it was getting louder.
"Honk! Bird!"
cried Kip.
"Bird!"
cried the big loud bird.
"Bird?"
said Kip. He was confused. Just then, Bird woke up.
"Goose!"
called Bird.
"Goose?"
said Kip. Now Kip was even more confused.
"Bird?
said Kip.
Do you know this bird?" "Yes,"
said Bird.
"she's my old friend, Goose."
Bird and Kip, Goose's Visit. Episode 2, Goose. Bird's friend Goose was visiting. Bird and Goose talked about bird things.
"I love flying,"
said Bird.
"Honk!
said Goose.
We love flying! Honk, honk!"
Kip was not a bird. He was a chipmunk. So he couldn't talk about bird things. Bird and Goose talked and talked. Kip stood alone by the pond. He skipped stones on the water. But then, Goose jumped into the water. She made a big splash.
"Honk, honk!"
she said.
"Pardon me! Honk!"
Look! People came over to the pond. They tossed pieces of bread to Goose.
"Honk, honk!"
said Goose.
"I don't like Goose.
Said Kip.
She's too big and too loud. I think I'll go somewhere else."
Kip wandered away from the pond. Then he walked out of the park. Bird and Goose didn't even notice. Bird and Kip, Goose's Visit. Episode 3, A Big Loud Friend. Kip walked along the sidewalk.
"Goose is Bird's friend,"
he said.
"She's not my friend. She's too big and too loud."
Just then, Kip saw something. A cat was was sitting on a window ledge.
Meow.
Said the cat.
Meow! Oh no!
Cried Kip. Kip started to run. The cat jumped after him. Kip ran as fast as he could. So did the cat.
Ah!
Cried Kip. Suddenly, Bird and Goose flew over to Kip.
There you are!
Said Bird. Goose landed in front of the cat.
Honk, honk, honk.
Cried Goose. The cat got scared and ran away.
You saved me, Goose.
Said Kip.
Thank you.
Honk. You're Bird's friend.
Said Goose.
So you're my friend too.
Kip was happy to have two good friends.
I like Goose.
He thought.
Honk.
It's good to have a big, loud friend.